day 1 of cooking with Princess and Nature. I'm Princess and I'm Nature, and today we're going to be showing you how to make hot chocolate. As you know, it is fall and it is very cold outside, and you know when you're just sitting on the sofa with blankets and pillows and you are so cold and you still can't get warm? Well, I know, I crave for a hot chocolate. So today we're going to be showing you how to make it. So let's get started. Here is what you will need: a saucepan, spoons, a whisk, bowls, a mug to put your hot chocolate in, vanilla, cocoa powder, sugar, and milk. The first thing you need is your saucepan and your milk. We put our milk in a jug so it's easier for us to pour in the saucepan. Next thing you want to do is pour your milk into your saucepan. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of sugar into the milk. 1, 2. Now you want to add your cocoa powder to the milk. 1, 2. Add your vanilla. Now you're going to whisk all your ingredients all together. To put your saucepan on the stove, but don't forget to have adult supervision when using the stove so you don't get hurt. Once that your saucepan is on the stove, you need to put it on to medium heat. You need to watch out for bubbles on the edge of the pan. If you see bubbles on the edge of the pan, you need to take it off immediately. Once on the stove, we're going to clean up. What we're going to do is clean up and make sure all the things that you have used and make what you washed them so they're nice and clean. Your hot chocolate should be ready. Ours is starting to bubble, so now we're going to take it off the stove. Now you want to get how you want to pour your hot chocolate into a mug. Chocolate. You can also add whipped cream and marshmallows to it if you like. Now it's time to try it. It's delicious! Try it. This is so yummy! We hope you enjoyed your hot chocolate. We'll see you in our next episode of Cooking with Princess and Nature. Bye!